Ready?
It's not very good, but it's there.
Ooh, it rained more. All right, let's go.
17, 19. Yeah.
What?
Yep. Then
All right, well, we just need a leg.
then you got 2 free throws. Box out. Lane violation. Double lane violation. Lane violations are fair.
Slippery now.
One stop. That ball actually goes pretty well in the wet stuff. I'm afraid that it's a ball. Me too. I'm not gonna lose another game. Nope. Oh, okay, no, you're good. Ah, this is so wet. I'm so scared. Yeah. Let's go! 6 and oh, there's the camera. Oh.
All right, run back. Now we're not losing that one.
Awesome. Can we switch it up, or do you guys gotta keep it?
No, we're not losing again tonight.
That was
You guys
competitive.
have like, since you guys went down 2-0.
That one was competitive though.
Okay, I killed it.
Boom. I think I have a broken foot.
Just one.
I think I have a broken feet. Boom. Oh.
This is a lot of skin bouncing. Oh, flabbiness hitting each other.
That was great.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
Is that a pass, Philip, or did you dribble off your foot?
Boom.
You just like silence the critics. How's the rain feel?
Pretty good. Good. It's a little scary under the feet. As long as it's all rain and no wind.
Good landings. Get your butt to the side.
Big good.
Oh.
What is that? 8. No, we have 11. 8 11. I almost got that one.
Are you? What? You said.
That was 2 points.
You did something.
You did do something. Wow, no score.
What is it?
13. High five. Every time. 11, 8, or 13.
Looking for it. No. I was.
Oh, you guys just had 8.
That's not 13 11.
Oh, just had 2. Didn't
3.
That was a 3. Oh, was it? 15, 11.
Oh, let me pull it.
Respawn it. Bitch!
Oh,
Woo.
alrighty.
That's a 2. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. It was 13. 15, 11.
15
No, tracker.
Good shot, man. 15 14. Give me the ball. 15 14. Good shot. You get the dog. Down there.
You want me to take away the 3 or what? 17 14. Wait,
17, 13, 14. Alright. Just don't shoot those. Just go.
So maybe even cut right now.
Actually, I think there's. Oh. Good advice, Cam. 17. Oh my.
Whoa!
Oh,
That's not game?
no.
Give me the rock, kid!
2019.
Stick with it, stick with it.
Oh, it is so wet.
I love it. I love it. We just need a layup. Remember. Go somewhere. We just need a layup. No.
Screw that! Give me the mark! Ah! Hit it! Yeah!
We can only.
Let's go!
How many times?
One more.
We just need a layup.
One more.
You're gonna take three.
One more. Bring it back. I don't want to play this much. Run it back! This is lit.
Yeah, this is a little too slippery.
I literally slipped on a box. Not even boxing anybody out. 7-0.
Don't worry. All we literally need is a layup.